Here we're doing a house special blend gluten-free chicken breading. Is basically for any chicken that you want to bread. I do start off with 1 cup gluten-free flour, Bob Red's Mills of course. I also use 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch just to bring out the little bit of crisp and flaky lightness in it. You will mix those all together. Once you have the 2 flours mixed, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of pink salt. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Mix this thoroughly through. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Then you're going to mix this all together, make sure it's well incorporated and mixed thoroughly through. And then I did decide to add 1 teaspoon of dry mustard, but it is optional and you don't have to add it. Mix this all together, put it in a sealed container, keep it dry, and you can use it for whatever chicken you have. Enjoy. And don't forget to grab yourself a copy of Dr. Wallach's Cooking Without the Bad Foods. It is a traditional cookbook that has been rewritten without the bad foods, especially gluten and no oil. It is 300 pages jammed with recipes and a great textbook to follow.
And for more health information, make sure to check out our YouTube or our Instagram. And you can actually message us there on the Instagram account and we will respond to every message. And make sure to check out my channel for many other videos on a whole array of subjects, and my other channels are all in the description of this video.